Hey guys, welcome back to Dorm Room Gardeners. My name is Daniel, this is Joel, and today we're going to give you an update on our apple seed to tree progress. Let's go.
Alright guys, so here we have some apple seeds that we've been germinating. We've showed you this process in some of our previous videos if you want to check out how that all works. And in here we have our apple orchard. These are some of our smallest apple saplings right now, which are all seeming to be doing pretty well. And over here we have 4 of the seedlings that we took from our most recent video in our apple tree from seed series. As you can tell, there's 2 of them here that are in slightly bigger pots because these were the 2 that happened to be doing the best and they were getting big on their own. These ones here are a little bit slower with their development, but that's okay. They'll probably get bigger as we go on.
Alright guys, now for a quick update on our oldest apple sapling. Now this guy is 45 days old, so that's about a month and a half, and it has grown really tall since we last showed you an update. It was probably only up to about here in the last video, and it's now doubled in height. If you remember, we planted this in the video where we showed you how to plant and germinate apple seeds. So lots of the growth has been due to the new pot. You'll see it's in a slightly bigger pot. It's almost ready to go to a next level up too, which we'll be in for probably a good chunk of time. It also was fertilized when it was transplanted, and that's been very helpful in promoting new growth. And yeah, the leaves are looking very healthy. It is a little bit kind of whippy, you'll see right there. And it does get moved around quite a bit as it has to go back and forth from the counter to the windowsill to avoid any frost damage, as we still get the odd day below 0 around here.
Hey guys, thanks for watching part 4 of our apple series. We'll give you more updates in the future. And if you like this video, feel free to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.
See ya.